What's going on, everybody? It's your boy MC Slick, man, and it has been a while since I have actually did a video. I don't even know when was the last time I did a video. Oh wait, I do remember. The last time I did a video was when I did the install of the K-Tune firewall grommet setup. Okay, yeah, that piece right there. All right. So since then, I've had a lot going on with my personal self. Okay, I had tremendous dental surgery. As you can see, I got a whole new grill. Okay, but now I'm back and I'm fully healed and I'm getting back to getting on Alice. Okay, Slick Tegra, slow process, but Alice, that's what we're getting into. All right, so I recently acquired a full 99 2000 interior harness, dash, floor harness. I'm still waiting for the door harness and the buttons to come, because these doors that I have on her car is EK4 doors. All right, they're the actual EK4 doors. So I am waiting for the right harnesses to come in so that I can get the rest of this interior back together. Now, when I started this build, I said to myself, I was just gonna build a simple street car for my wife to enjoy, right? But after talking to some of my buddies, my friends, my close friends, they were saying, well, your wife can't drive around in a half-ass car while you're driving this sick-ass Integra. So I decided to go full in on this car, and I'm gonna basically not only call it Alice the hatchback. On this car, I'm talking about we went fully in, all right? I painted the block, I painted the trans housing, I had Duracoat, basically powder coat, a lot of goods on this car. I went with full MPC hardware. Everything on here is MPC, all right? Full K-Tune, all the bells and whistles from K-Tune. TSM Race, Tri-State Motorsports, Speed Factory Racing. I even got the same radiator overflow reservoir, okay, that I had on the coupe. What you call it, CTR headlights. We did the 57 CRs from High Intake Performance. And this piece right here, I actually just had done. This is the dash skeleton, okay? So we just had Duracoat, powder coat, the dash skeleton. I just picked this up the other day, all right? Here's some parts. Here's all the little parts for it. And not to mention, my very first time ever having Hondata, okay? Yes, Hondata is involved in this build. Big shouts to Hondata. I picked up K-Pro for the hatch, okay? This bad boy came in the mail the other day. So we have the K-Pro. So there's no ifs, ands, or buts about getting this car running. I can't have any type of excuses because I have everything, okay? Well, almost everything. But yeah, the interior is getting done right now by Manual Interior. They are a New Jersey local out of North Brunswick, New Jersey. He's doing the interior. We got the suede dash in Alcantara with purple stitch. The A pillars are done in suede and the B pillars are done in suede. Not to mention the full confetti front and rear seats with the rear headrest. Okay, so this car is really getting the bells, the works on this car. All right, I'm super excited. I know I have not posted much on YouTube, but don't worry, I'm back and I'm gonna try to post a lot more. All right, stay tuned for more of this crazy project.